How to use Ace Money Transfer app. First, download and open the app and install the Ace Money Transfer app from the Play Store Android or App Store iOS. And once downloaded, tap to open the applications and you will be directed to the home screen. Sign up or log in if you don't have an account yet. Tap on Join Now to begin the registration process. If you're a returning user, simply log in using your credentials. Start as transfer or homepage. You will see the Send Money button at the bottom and tap on it and start the process. Select receiving country and payout method. You will be prompted to select the recipient's country. For example, choose India, then select how many recipients will receive the money. For example, bank deposit, cash pickup, airtime top up, and then the payout option may vary based on to the country. Enter the transfer amount. Enter the amount you want to send, either in your social currency or in other recipient's local currency. You will also see the conversions rates in the estimated fees based on the amount, and then add recipient's details and tap on a new receiver and input the recipient's full name, informations like phone number and their relationship to you. For bank transfers, enter their bank details, including the bank name, branch, and account number. Make sure to double check all of the details for accuracy. Choose payment method, and you will then select how many or how you want to pay for the transfer. Like for example, typically include debit card, credit cards, or bank transfer, and other regional payment methods. Verify identity and complete the transfer, depending on the transaction size and the country you're sending money to. You may need to verify the identity by uploading documents like your ID or passport, and once your identity is verified, review all the details, all of your transactions. If everything looks correct, confirm the transfer, review and confirm payment. You will be shown a summary of transactions including recipient's details, amount to be sent, and transfer fees. If everything is in order, swipe Send Money button to process the payment, and the transaction is complete. Once the transaction is successfully processed, you'll receive a confirmation message. Recipient will be notified when the funds are available, depending on the payout method you selected. And that's about it. Thank you for watching.